Hi guys, I'm back with another video today, and this time it's going to be an unboxing. So glad to see you again, by the way. And it's going to be an unboxing of some shoes that I've wanted for a really long time. They're by Club X, and I've actually purchased shoes from Club X before, but I wasn't completely satisfied with my purchase that I made before. So let me just show you the shoes that I got before. So these... sorry. These super glittery purple boots are the shoes that I previously got from Club X. And let me just get this straight. I love them. They were absolutely gorgeous, and the design is looking so good, and they're really sturdy made. So they were looking like I did fit them, and they're really, the glitter is applied so well as well. It doesn't look like it could fall off. But my only problem with these was that they looked much more of a different shade of purple on the website. So I will just take one. As you can see, it's super smooth and glittery at the same time. But on the picture on the website of Dollskill, actually, it looked like it had much more pastel bluish purple. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, I need these, pastel purple dream, perfect for my wardrobe. And then I got them, and yeah, as you can see, they're much more of red toned lilac purple that is much darker than what I would consider pastel. And especially these laces here, they have a really red undertone to the purple. So I was, as you can tell, kind of disappointed with this, as I love the shoes, but the color just wasn't right for me. So as a result of that, I haven't actually been wearing them, which made me really sad. So I was like, okay, yeah, I just decided I'm going to try to sell them so I can at least get something out of it still. And yeah, just hope maybe someday I can find the butterfly boots for cheaper somewhere secondhand. So I was like, okay, let me just take a screenshot of the page of the product so I can show that to people. And when I was looking on Dollskill for Club X, I actually found I'm so sorry. I actually found the pink butterfly boots. So I was like, what? I was like, oh, this must be a joke, it's probably gonna be sold out, there's probably still one pair left. It's 36 or really small size, and you go check and it's oh, sorry, we're out of stock of your size. So I was like, man, it's gonna be this can't be serious. So I checked it out, and they actually still had my size. So I'm thinking they probably had a restock or re-released these shoes because they were so popular. I'm not sure, but that's what I got in the mail today. So let me just show you the package. It's really big. This really big package. It's actually this box is so big. What the fuck? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to say that on YouTube. So yeah, this is the box from Dollskill. So let me just open this up with you guys, since I've been really good and haven't actually opened the box yet, or even the packaging around the box. So I haven't actually looked, so I'm really hyped right now. Just tear this open. Oh, wait. I have a cutter. That doesn't actually cut. Okay. Marvelous. Let me just try it a little harder. Okay. I managed to cut open something. I'm just, really hoping that this time the color is going to be okay with me. Because, I mean, a darker pink is okay, because I like fuchsia as well. Or fuchsia, I'm not sure how to say that. But it really shouldn't be to the orange or the red side. So I'm really hoping and praying it's going to be a pretty pastel pink or fuchsia pink, but not anything else, because I'm going to be devastated if it is. Okay. We're getting there. So hard to open this. Even with the cutter. Okay, I think I can take it out right now. Okay, Okay, there we go. A big brown box that's not looking very beautiful. So let's open this up, and maybe there's like a prettier box inside. Really big elastic around it. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys when I open it. Oh, it's actually right away the shoes. Oh my god. Like, I'm a bit surprised because last time it had like really nice packaging around it. Like the box was really nice. So I guess it's not this time, but let's see. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're looking very nicely pink. They're not looking like a terrible red or orange shade. They're looking really nice. All right, so let's. I'm so hyped. I'm so glad. Let's take one out. Here they are. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god. It's a pretty pink, yeah. I'm so glad. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's so nice. Look at those. Like, look at those. Damn. These are so beautiful. These are like the perfect shade in between pastel pink and like bright fuchsia pink. This is beautiful. And I love the shoelaces. I like how they're not like contrasting with the pink that is on the shoe. Oh man, these are amazing. I just hope they're gonna fit like the other ones so I don't have a wrong size. Okay, let me just quickly take the other one as well. Oh, there's actually some wrapping here. Okay, so one thing I do notice is that the glitter on these is much more chunky. It's actually like looking like if you like scratch hard, you could peel it off, which I'm not gonna do. But like compared to the other ones, just gonna try to show you. Oh, I'm gonna take the other one. All right, so I got the two shoes right here. This glittery is much more thin and tiny and like all over. I mean, this is all over too, but it's like really like, it doesn't have a texture, like it's smooth. When these are like kind of chunky glitters, which I like. It's really nice. I actually like both of the designs. I think I would have been okay if these shoes would have been in the same texture as the other ones. But look at that. Oh my god, I'm like, these are so beautiful. Oh, they're really lovely. This is just the bottom, just in case you wanted to see that. So I'm really glad I got exactly what I wanted and hoped for. So I'm definitely going to be wearing these for an outfit sometime soon. They're really lovely, and this is the zip on the side. And you know, even if it's like chunky, it looks like really sturdy, so it doesn't look like it should just like could just fall off. So that's really nice to know as well. So very happy with my purchase. If you can get your hands on them, I'd suggest you do so immediately because these are fucking gorgeous. Oh man, I'm cursing so much. I'm so sorry. These are very gorgeous. And I absolutely recommend these. They are absolutely the perfect color. If you want to get the purple ones, the fairy version, just keep in mind that they're maybe a little more different color than what the picture makes you feel like. But if it's these, like, go for it. 10 out of 10 on these shoes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this unboxing. I hope I could maybe help you out if you were doubting about buying either of these shoes, like either the purple ones or the pink ones. I think both of them are great. Just purple ones are a bit darker color than the picture shows. Pink ones are exactly like the picture shows. And I am so happy I got these. So I hope this helps you guys out or that you had fun watching this video. If you did, please do leave a like. And then I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.